Saturday, September 2024. Saint Matthew. Focus. Walk in a manner with all humility and gentleness, with patience, bearing with one another in love. Today's Gospel demonstrates unity in Christ. Jesus ate with Matthew and his friends because he loved them. It is because of his love, gentleness, and patience that we have Saint Matthew to intercede for us, and not just a Matthew, the tax collector in Bible story. Do our families, workplaces, and parishes reveal Christian unity? Often, minor disagreements are followed by angry and insulting exchanges. If we truly believe there is one God, one faith, one body, and one spirit, our response to disputes will be humble, gentle, and patient. And we will know peace in our relationships and behavior. When Paul says, I, a prisoner for the Lord, he reminds us that being united with Christ often comes at a price. Jesus says, I desire mercy and not sacrifice. He wants us to go beyond the idea of sacrifice or feeling obliged to give up things and be more compassionate instead. He said to Saint Faustina, the greater the sinner, the greater the right he has to my mercy. Jesus did not label people. He loved Nicodemus as genuinely as he loved Zacchaeus and Mary Magdalene, as he loved Mary of Bethany. He always looked beyond a person's history towards a person's future. Fruit. I will ask the Spirit to make me more humble, gentle, and patient.